Imagine, for a moment, looking up at the sky, not to see the familiar dance of stars, but a cosmic firestorm. The sun, our life-giver, transformed into an unrelenting destroyer. What if the invisible shield protecting us from this very fate simply vanished? What if Earth lost its magnetic field? For billions of years, deep within our planet, a molten, churning ocean of iron and nickel has been generating an extraordinary phenomenon, Earth's magnetic field. This isn't just some abstract scientific concept. It's an invisible force field stretching thousands of miles into space, a cosmic guardian deflecting the lethal solar winds and radiation that constantly stream from the sun. Think of it as our planet's personal, impenetrable shield, silently protecting every single life form, every breath we take, every beat of our hearts. But what if this ancient protector, this silent guardian, simply stopped working? What then? The first sign wouldn't be a dramatic explosion, but a subtle, insidious erosion. Our atmosphere, once cradled by the magnetic field, would begin to leak into space. Imagine our planet slowly, relentlessly, being stripped naked. Simultaneously, a far more immediate danger would arrive. A relentless barrage of solar radiation. You'd see the northern and southern lights, the aurora borealis and australis, not just at the poles, but everywhere. A terrifying, beautiful display painting the entire sky. These aren't just pretty lights, they're the visible screams of our atmosphere being bombarded. Then, the technology we rely on would begin to crumble. Satellites, the backbone of our communication, navigation, and global interconnectivity, would be fried. No GPS, no long-distance calls, no internet. The global economy would collapse into chaos. Power grids would flicker and fail, plunging cities into darkness, not just for hours but indefinitely. Picture entire continents going dark, silence descending where once there was light and noise, but the most terrifying impact would be on life itself. Without that magnetic shield, the sun's radiation would become a deadly rain. Our DNA would be under constant assault, leading to widespread cancers and genetic mutations. Plant life would struggle, their delicate biological processes overwhelmed. The intricate web of life, so resilient yet so dependent on this invisible force, would begin to unravel. Animals, including us, would face an existential threat. Where would we hide? How would we survive this invisible, all-encompassing enemy? As the eons passed, our once vibrant blue and green planet would slowly transform into something unrecognizable. With the atmosphere thinning, our oceans would begin to evaporate, lost to the vacuum of space, much like what happened to Mars billions of years ago. Earth would become a barren, irradiated wasteland, its surface exposed to the full, unbridled fury of the cosmos. The air we breathe would dissipate, the water we drink would vanish. Humanity, if it survived the initial onslaught, would be forced underground, living in artificial environments, sheltered from the deadly surface. Our existence would be a constant struggle against an environment that was once our home, now an enemy. We would become refugees on our own planet, gazing at a sky that no longer offered comfort, a chilling reminder of what we lost. A world without its magnetic field is a world without us.